In last period, we have learned air and water are the very important natural resources. Now, we will learn that land also a very important and valuable natural resource. Natural resource land. Land is seen in the form of stones, soil, big rocks. It is not flat everywhere. It is hilly in some places and flat in other. Look at the some pictures of land. Uses of land. We know that land is used for agricultural, residential use of land. We also use land for roads, industrial use of land. Observe the picture and tell the other uses of land. All terrestrial animals including man lives on the land. Read the uses of land. Agricultural is done on land which provides with food and clothes. All types of institutions like schools, colleges, hospitals, government offices, etc. can be made on land. Land can be used for residential purposes. Forests are there on land which is necessary for human and animals both. Land is also used for constituting buildings, factories and warehouses, etc. Oils and minerals are provided from land. Parks can be made on land. We make plantation on land. Land is used for transformation purposes such as roads, railways, airports and subways etc. The rivers flowing on the land and coal etc. from the land are sources of different kinds of energy. That is why land is a very valuable natural resource. The value of soil. Look at the pictures. Read the given information and write the answer of questions. Soil is one of Earth's most valuable natural resource. Why? Layers of land. Observe the picture carefully and tell the layers of land. First layer, humus. Second, soil. Third, immature soil. Fourth, layer of soil and small rocks. And fifth, bedrock. Humus. If the land has mature soil, the topmost layer is formed by the decomposition of the remains of plants and animals. This layer is called humus. It is usually found in dense forests. The land below this is full of sand, soil, small stones, worms and insects. Soil and pieces of bedrock are found below this layer of land. This soil is immature. Further, below this layer, the proportion of soil decreases and that of rock increases. This is the layer of bedrock. The process of soil formation. The soil on the land is formed by a natural process. Soil has both biotic and abiotic constituents. The biotic components of soil are supplied through the weathering of the bedrock. Due to the heat, cold and water of the sun, wind and rain respectively, the bedrock breaks down into pieces. Stones and the soil are formed from these pieces. The process of soil formation is slow and continuous. Conservation of soil. Soil can get destroyed in a short period due to floods, storms, and human activities such as mining. That is why it is necessary to conserve soil and to prevent erosion of land. Discuss what are the remedies for conservation of soil and to prevent of erosion of land.